So when Krishna glorified the beauty of the full moon on Sharad Purnima, Radha replied by singing. This is in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu 1.1, and this is part of Jiva Goswami's Tika. Radharani said, full moon, which destroys the suffering and creates happiness by its cooling rays, shines everywhere with its excellent quality and beauty. The moon is the very form of nectar filled with all tastes. It eclipses the host of stars by its light and accepts the playful gestures of night and fondly enters the Vishaka constellation in the spring season. So obviously in Sanskrit, can't really catch it much in this English translation, but Radharani is speaking in very intimate and sweet ways here, that Krishna is the form, she's talking about Krishna Chandra, that Krishna Chandra destroys the suffering, but she's saying Purna Chandra, Arti Ha or whatever. Arti means suffering and Ha means destroy. But she's actually saying, oh, Krishna Chandra, you destroy our suffering of separation from you, and you create happiness by the cooling rays of your beautiful love. And your love is shining everywhere with its excellent qualities and beauty. So Radharani is saying, you have the most excellent qualities and you're most beautiful. It says the moon, the moon is the very form of nectar, filled with all tastes. What Radharani is really saying, oh Purna Chand, oh Sham Chand, you are the form of nectar. You are Rasavai Saha. You are Rasa Sarup. And you are Rasika Shekhar. The moon is a form of nectar, and the moon is filled with all taste. The moon eclipses the host of stars by its light, accepts the playful gestures of the night, and fondly enters the Vishak constellation in the spring season. It's very beautiful. So Radharani is saying that when Madhav comes, the name for spring in Sanskrit is Madhav. So when Madhav comes, he merges with Vishaka. So Radharani, her best friend is Vishaka, who's always standing by her. So she's glorifying, oh Krishna, you're Krishna Chandra. And then when you come before Vishaka, then you two combine and enjoy together in the Kunja. And even I order you to go to Vishaka. So this is the hidden meaning of how when Krishna is speaking about, oh, he's singing, the moon is so beautiful and the light is so soothing. And Radharani sings a love song. Krishna is just glorifying his prakriti, the material energy. So this is a very beautiful insight of Sri Jiva Goswami Pad, quoting his uncle, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu.